IBPS Clerk Prelim. Now in this question number 66 onwards, it comes under reasoning. The first four questions, inequalities. Inequalities first or the second priority? Definitely under the first priority, isn't it? Then the relation between E and P, it is just equal to, isn't it? Now E and P must be equal to, there should not be any other symbol, hence this is straight away ruled out. And D and B, D is here, B is here, which element is common between these two? A is common. A greater than or equals to D, and in the same way A lesser than or equals to B, and that is B greater than or equals to A. That is B greater than or equals to D, that is D lesser than or equals to B is true, but is D greater than B is definitely false. Hence neither one nor two, choice for question number 66. Then next one, the relation between V and T. Now which element is common here? R is common. R greater than or equals to V, and in the same way, then R and T, R lesser than or equals to T means T greater than or equals to R. And T greater than or equals to V, V lesser than or equals to T, definitely true. And the next one, P and W, P is here and W is here, the element that is common is R. P to R, opposite symbol, and so no relation can be drawn, only one, that is choice one, question number 67. Then coming to the 68, the relation between E and H, and G and E. Now check out G and E, E to H, E to G, and E to F. E equals to F, hence E equals to F, and E to H. Now E to H, E equals to F means E lesser than H is definitely false. And next one, G lesser than or equals to E. Now G is here, and E is here, E greater than or equals to G means G lesser than or equals to E, definitely true. And so only two follow, choice to question number 68. Then 69, P and A. Now P to A equals to B, and in the place of A we can write it as B, and P and B. Now P to M, P greater than M, and B lesser than or equals to M means M greater than or equals to B. Now from P to B, P greater than B is true, and C equals to B is false. And so only one, question number 69. Then 70 onward, there are some 7 friends are going to a movie in different days of the week starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Starting on Monday, ending on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Starting on Monday and ending on Sunday. Then in this coming to condition number 1. And D goes to the cinema on Wednesday. Now D is on Wednesday and D on Wednesday. And next one person go to the cinema between D and E. D and E, there must be exactly one person. D and E, there must be exactly one person. And 2 persons in between A and F. In between A and F, how many persons are there? Exactly 2. Now in this one, 1, 2, F must be here. 2 persons between A and F. F and G go to the cinema on adjacent days. Now F and G on adjacent days, F and G on adjacent days. And E goes to the cinema before C. E is before C and after this P. Hence B, E and C is the order. Now what is the order we have? B, E and C. Now here also B, E and C is the order. The next one, B does not go to the cinema on Thursday. Now in the second case, B is on Thursday, that is ruled out, and so I have left with only the first case. Then, now this is about question number 70 to 73. The next one, 74. 4 out of the following 5 are alike. Now, is this based on the question? Yes. The next one, 75 to 77. Now 75 to 77, it is based on directions here. And Kavita starts walking from point A. Now this is the starting point of Kavita. From here she walks how many meters? 7 meters south. And she walks 7 meters in the south and reaches to point B. From there, point B, then she turns right and walks 3 meters to reach B. From here, and she walks 3 meters to the right hand side and reaches to B. And now she takes right turn and walks 11 meters to reach C. From here 11 meters to reach C. Now from here to here 7, this is 4, 11, 7 plus 4, 11. And finally she takes left turn and walks 3 meters to reach point E. From here and 3 meters left hand side. Then what is the shortest distance between C and E? Now tell me what is the distance between these in order to find out this distance. Now vertical is 4, and a horizontal is 3, and 4 square plus 3 square is 5, that is choice 3. And what is the total distance covered by Kavita? Now we need to find out the total distance here. Now 7 plus 3, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 3, 24, choice 1. Then E is in which direction with respect to A? E is in which direction with respect to A? In order to reach to E from A, first we need to move towards which direction? North, then towards west. North and west, northwest, choice 3. The next one, 78. Now this is based on coding and decoding. Now the word direction is coded as D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Now in this word direction, what is the code we have? F-S-J-E, F-S-J-E, B-O-P-J-U, B-O-P-J and V. Then tell me what is the logic we have. Now the word D plus 1 is E, I, J, R, S, E, F. That means for the first 4 letters, next letters are written in the reverse order, isn't it? Then again, to these 4 letters T, I, O, N, again they were written in the reverse order. T plus 1 U, I, J, O, P, and O. And to the middle letter it is minus 1. Then, and in the same way, the word curling, and C-U-R-L-I-N-G. Then tell me what we need to do here. Then the first 3 letters, L minus 1 is what? K, and K must be at the center. And C plus 1 is D, U plus 1 is V, and next one, R plus 1 is S, S, V, D, K. And here again, I plus 1 is J, N, O, G, H, S, V, D, K, S, V, D, K, H, O, J. Then choice please, S, V, D, K, H, O, J, choice 4. S, V, D, K, H, O, J, choice 4. Then next one, 79 onwards, it is based on years. There are some 8 people and were born in different years. Now the years were clearly given 2000, hence first we need to write down the years in the ascending order. And next one, 2004, 2005, and 10, 12, 15, 10, 12, 15, and 17. Then all together 8 persons on these 8 different days. They were born in different years, and all the persons were born on the same date and same month, and the ages were calculated based on the year 2020. Now the base year was given. The base year was 2020. Now the one who was born in the year 2000 and will be 20 years by this one. And plus 3 minus 3. Plus 1 minus 1. Next one plus 1 minus 1. Now సరిపోతుందా లేదా? Here plus 5 minus 5. Here plus 2 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 3. And plus 2 minus 2. Then these are the years of these persons. And P is 1 year younger than R and 1 year older than V. Now P is 1 year younger than whom? Younger than R and older than V. Hence these 3 persons must be on consecutive years. Then consecutive years, what are the possibilities we have? 17, 16 and 15. The only possibility we have is 17, 16 and 16. Now this is R and P and V. Now సరిపోయిందా లేదా? R, P and V. And next one, O is younger than Q. O is younger than Q but older than U. And Q, O, U must be in this order. And T is older than Q as well. T is older. And it's T, Q, O, U. S is younger than O but was not born in the year 2015. Now S is younger than O but not born in the year 2015. And S cannot be at this place, isn't it? Now if S cannot be here, what is the order we have? T must be at the first. Is eldest among all this. Next one Q, and next one this is O. S cannot be at this place, S is here, and the U must be here. Now సరిపోయిందా? Then what is the ages of U and V? U and V, what are the ages we have? 15 plus 5, that is 20, choice 1. Then how many persons were born between Q and S? And between Q and S there are only 2 people, choice 2. Then 81, if Q's uncle is 31 years older than Q, Q is 10 plus 31, 41, and 41 is the age of this uncle. Hence 82, and 4 out of the following means odd one out. V, S, O, R, U. Now V was born in the year 5, and S was born in the year 17, and O was born in the year 12, and R was born in the year 3, and U was born in the year 15. Hence, except O, all the remaining persons were born in odd number years, and O born in an even number year. And 83, which of the following statements are true? More than 2 persons were born before after O. Exactly 2 but not more than. And V was born in the year 2005. And V 2005, that is definitely to B. Only 2 persons are in between P and Q, that is false. Hence only B, that is choice to question number 83. The next one, 84. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word meaningful? Meaningful, each of which has as many letters. Now the word meaningful, MEANINGFUL. Now in this one starting with M. NOPQRSTUV EFGHIJKLM ABCDEF. A to F there is a pair. BCDEFGH NOPQRST and IJKLMN NOPQR GHIFM. Hence left to right, how many pairs you have? Only one. And again in the reverse, L MNOPQRSTU, and you know letter more than this one, FGHI. F to I there is a pair. FG, F and G there is a pair, isn't it? FG and G and I there is a pair. And so as of now, how many we got? 4. And next one, FGHIJKLM. F to M there is one more. Hence more than 4, choice for question number 84. Then 85, it is based on sequence. Now 4 out of the following means it is an odd one out. Then 6 and H plus 2 alternate letters, and U and 3 alternate, M and J alternate, F and N they are consecutive letters. And so what is your answer here? 85 is choice 4. Except choice 4. The remaining, the difference between the first 2 elements is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And 86, if all the digits are dropped from the above arrangement, which are the following element will be 15th from the right. Now 15th from the right without the digits. Now 15th from the right without the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. What is the answer here? Percentage, that is choice. Then 87, which of the following element is 4 to the right of 12th from 12th to the left of P. Now 12th to the left of P, again to that one 4th right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To this one 4th right, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is your answer here? 3 choice. And 88, how many symbols are there? And each of which is immediately preceded as well as followed by consonant. Now directly let us focus on this symbol, and this symbol preceded by consonant but not followed by consonant. Now this symbol is both preceded as well as followed by consonant. Now this is not, and this is not, and this symbol is preceded by vowel. Now symbol followed by what? And now this star is a symbol preceded as well as followed by consonant. And how many are there of such type? 2. 2, that is choice 3, question number 88. And which of the following element is exactly between the elements which are 6th from the left and 15th from the right? Now 6th from the left at the rate of, isn't it? And 15th from the right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now between these two we need to find out the middle letter. And exactly at the center, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Now 15 means 8th element. What is 8th element we have? L. L, that is choice 1.